get special parking down there, is it? Oh, right, thanks. Right, it's Lincoln Autojumble and we get special privilege parking. It's quite a small autojumble, but I guess the good thing is you can get around and see every single stall. Massive spanners. Really big spanner. But the boys would like these. Like, of course, Helmswell was a former RAF base, so you have these massive hangars here. They have indoor markets on a Sunday and a big car boot sale. That's an S-Cargo. Oh my gosh. It's a marina. Super. MGB. Quite a cool looking MGB with
it's really ugly.
So that's a Rover V8. Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, from an SD1.
For an SD1.
Yeah, yeah, it's cool.
SD1 Vitesse.
Love it. Right, here are my spoils of the Lincoln Autojumble. Some 20W50 oil for 16 quid. It's 30 quid plus in Alphas at the moment. Nice old petrol can. Kind of a bit of a spout and screws there. And screws on there. It's all nice. 15 quid. Probably 1970s because it says 5 litres on it. Oh, 2 Morris Minor hubcaps. One of them was 8 quid. This one was 8 quid, which isn't a bad price. And I saw that one first, and I think it'll scrub up nicer. But then I saw this for 3 quid, which is probably nicer. Just needs cleaning. So there's a lesson in that. Have a good look around before you buy anything. But the guy that sold me that, he gave me this as well, which I need for the boot, like as a spare. But I just need to check, does it actually fit? He just gave me that for free, so I'll just have a check now. You can have a look too. Look, shiny new radiator cap. Just hold this up against there. But this is really for car with a dynamo. I can't tell if it really is it going to fit. Yeah, it looks about right. Yeah, so all in all, quite a good haul actually. I'll keep that in my little box of spares. Right, I will go and get a burger. That's Lincoln Autojumble done. Everyone's going home now. So nice little Autojumble. Recommend it. I'll definitely be back. Yeah, see you later. Bye.